Duh. Lust, pride, greed, even envy. Reflecting on them days when y'all used to dwell in me. The way I used to lean on Antichrist and how he did me. Thinking that I had it all but really empty. No one there to tell me that this wasn't good for me. I used to wear pride on me like some jewelry. I felt the flesh even to idolatry. Not knowing this whole time they was fooling me. But then my Savior came, stepped in, Jesus. He told me to leave, but they was like, leave us. We made you who you are, look man, you need us. And stay away from God, he's the only who defeats us. Now my brain is twisted cause my heart fell. Well, God said I'm the head and not the tail. I cast them in his name and I told them all to flee. My eyes on the throne and I'm loving what I see. I wanna be like you, God, in so many ways. And every day I'm trying, evil gets in my way. We gotta check our rear view, never know who's behind you. I got 2 little sons now and they're gonna wanna do what daddy do. That's why I pray when they see me, Lord, it reflects you. I made up in my mind I gotta be just like you.
Teaching me to be just like you. I just gotta be like you. I just gotta be like you. Oh.
Lecrae said you came for the lame. Well, I'm the lamest. I made a mess of my life, but you said you'll replace it. I'll take it. He said you came for the lame. Well, I'm the lamest. I broke my heart into pieces. You said you'll replace it. I'll take it. Take it. Take it.